So when students go to do an assignment, not a quiz, not a discussion, just an assignment, you have this little pencil and these little windows here, and I made one. This is just a test of Sclgy. Please ignore this. So when I click on that assignment as a student, I see the things that the teacher typed in here to me. So here's what the teacher typed in. And in this space, you can include pictures, you can include video links, all kinds of material. I created a custom grading scale in here based on completion. So the criteria is it finished? And then the student gets full credit versus gets a 4, 3, 2, or a 1 based on that. So when the student goes to do this assignment and they click submit, if the student did it in a Word document that's downloaded to their computer, they worked on it in actual Word, it's saved to their computer, they would use this button to do a file turn-in. If I wanted the student to speak to me the assignment, they could use this button. And there's a comment section here. If I'm asking the student to actually create some writing, they can create it right here. They don't have to go to Word and upload it. They can use create and edit and create a response right here. If it's something that they made in their online Word, they have to go to resources, apps, and then connect their Microsoft account like this. And when they go to connect their Microsoft account, we'll talk more about how they actually do this. So it's a whole other step. So it really does depend on how the students are working and how they're going to submit this, whether they're going to create it, upload it, and it creates a lot of complication. So we can talk later about how you get this connected so they can do that submission directly from Microsoft. So for now, though, that's how they would actually type an answer into you or upload a photograph of their work if they did it on paper, or dictate, or both, or some combination of that. Then they would click submit and it would come to you.